Here is the cinematic view of our house design. Hello, and welcome to the CIVILSETS YouTube channel. Today we are going to review 400 square feet plot area. The house is of 20 by 20 feet. The house has a separate ground floor and first floor. For the first floor, there is an outside staircase, so you can give the first floor to renting purpose, and there will be easy in outgoing without disturbing the others. For the parking, you have to use outside space. At the entrance, we have a working table set up for office or school work. After that, there is dining space for up to 4 people. Dining area is of 8 feet and 4 inches by 9 feet and 3 inches. And the kitchen is of 5 by 5 feet, providing shelves to make extra space in the kitchen and utilizing the compact space of the kitchen. And the common bathroom is of area 5 feet by 3 feet and 10 inches. This room you can use as a guest room or a bedroom. It's depend upon you. The room area is of 9 feet and 3 inches by 9 feet and 6 inches. This is the main bedroom of area 9 feet and 6 inches by 9 feet and 6 inches. For the first floor, there is outside staircase. At the first floor entrance, we have a hall area with study table at the corner of the hall. In the hall, there is a space for 4 to 5 people sit outs and enjoy family time. This space you can use as a storeroom or a bathroom. Of area 5 feet by 5 feet and 10 inches. The bedroom is of area 14 feet and 2 inches by 9 feet and 3 inches. Having a lounge chair at the corner of the bedroom. There is a attached bathroom with bedroom. The bathroom area is of 5 feet and 3 feet and 3 inches. That's all for today. Subscribe to CIVILSETS YouTube channel for latest house designs. Make sure to like, share and comment below.